Ma, pudina pulav. Brahmadam.
How to make an amazing pudina pulav? Vangu, I'll show you.
First step, wash your basmati rice. Next we are going to add water. So add twice the amount of water. So we are going to add peas, bay leaves. Let it keep soaking. Let's fry the masala to grind.
To a pan, add ghee, green chilli, garlic, ginger, onion. Fry nicely. Add fresh pudina leaves. Fry it just for 1 to 2 minutes.
Grind this coarsely without adding any water. Like this.
Now heat the same pan. Add ghee. Add all the masalas, cashew nuts, onion. Fry it well and add the ground mixture. Fry it again for just another 1 or 2 minutes till the extra water is absorbed. We are going to add it to the soaked rice mixture. Add salt and mix well.
And pressure cook it for 1 whistle, or you can make it in the rice cooker. Come, I'll show you how to make it. This vessel of the rice cooker, you place a plate and add water just to cover the plate. Place it inside your electric rice cooker. Switch on and put it to cooking. We place our vessel inside. That's it. We have to cook till it comes to keep warm. You can open it anytime and see if the cooker needs any water.
Our delicious pudina pulao is now ready. You can serve it with any raita of your choice. Tastes yum.